Hello and welcome to the Assist Trust quiz. So today on this fine, wonderful, slightly dreary day, I'm going to give you a set of visual clues and you have to guess where the seed or nut comes from, which tree. Okay, here goes. Clue number one. Look at this fine specimen. What tree does that come from? And we have clue number two. Here's a fine little nut. Which tree does this come from? And then we have clue number three. Yeah, see these around quite a bit. Have a little guess. This is clue number four. So we have a very sweet little seed there from a very large tree. And number five. This is a seed from a tree that I collected on one of my walks. So, good luck. Bye.